Joseph H. Lines & Sons Limited is a premier supplier of specialised cutting, profiling and fabrication services, and a manufacturer of product packaging, encompassing display, point of sale, design and print companies, high-tech aerospace, defence and electronics businesses and more. We have built a nationwide clientele through our state-of-the-art CAD/CAM capabilities, from design through to production. From one-off commissions to large batch quantities, no commission is too large or too small. We even service the requirements of others within our trade, and our comprehensive mechanisation range ensures optimum size cutting capabilities in all kinds of materials. As an established ISO 9001 registered family company based in Worcestershire, we have continually enhanced our capabilities through a committed investment in people, alongside a dedication to the requirements of every client. Additionally, all of our packaging products are designed and manufactured to meet international specifications and all worldwide export requirements. To discuss any of our world-leading services and how they can enhance your business, contact us today on 01527 630 78.